In this problem, it says to determine the value of w such that the quantity 2 plus 3 radical 2 times the quantity w minus 6 radical 2 equals negative 28. So to do this, I'm going to expand this out. So on the left side, it becomes 2w minus 12 radical 2 plus 3w radical 2 minus 18 radical 4 equals negative 28. So negative 18 radical 4, we can simplify that, and we can combine, actually, yeah, we can combine these. So we have 2w plus the quantity 3w minus 12 radical 2 minus 36 equals negative 28. Now I'm going to leave the w's on this side and bring this over. So I add the 36 over. So 2w plus 3w minus 12 square root of 2 equals 8. Now there's two ways you can approach this to find what w is. You can either say that this is equal to that, or you can say that this quantity is equal to 0, because there is no term with radical 2 on the other side. So we could say 3w minus 12 equals 0, so 3w equals 12, so w equals 4. Or the other way to think about it is, this is the only term without a radical, so is this. So that means this and this have to be equal. 2w equals 8, so w equals 4. Either way, the answer is 4. And we're done.